Well, here I am working on another one of these old cars. This one's a 1967 Buick Special. Straight as an arrow. Never really been abused or beat or even in a wreck. It's got great fenders on the front and the hood. That grill, that plastic grill is perfect. Anyway, all these front end parts are destined for another project one of these days. I ran into a little problem getting the front wheels to turn. Specifically this passenger side one. I beat the hound out of that thing for about 3 hours one day and never was able to get it to move. Had it hooked to my truck, beat on it and pull it backwards and beat on it and pull it backwards, and it never budged. Well, finally I got an idea. I was walking around at the car show yesterday and it came to me. It's funny how when you relax your mind, anyway, that's a philosophical conversation. We won't get into that. This is a how-to video, which I swore I'd never do. This is a cool little trick that I thought of. I'm sure others have thought of it before me. What I did, I jacked the front end of this car up, let all the air out of that tire, and I put a ratchet strap around it. One of the big heavy cargo straps. You can see the ratchet right there. Big 2-inch strap. And I filled the tire back up. I guess I put about 50 pounds in it. Got it real good and tight on that strap. And after chalking the back wheels and putting it back in park, I came up here and got on the old come along. And I come along that wheel with the strap around it until it broke loose. I am a happy boy because it broke loose. I'll show you exactly how it happened. Anyways, like I said, I expect others have probably thought of that before, but it's my first time thinking of it. I've dealt with these stuck wheels before, and I think that's a pretty cool way to do it. Anyway, there'll be more on this car later. This was a daily driver some years ago. Gonna be one again pretty soon. If you're watching, you've seen me working on a lot of old Buicks, Chevelles. Some pretty cool stuff. Most of these old cars were Dad's. Some of them were mine. For reasons I won't go into right now, I'm finally motivated to get things running and use the things finally. Anyway, that's my 4 minutes, so I'll just call this one. If you think this was a cool little trick, give me a thumbs up. That's it.